Hello and welcome. This video will show you how to animate a growing city within 3ds Max. To begin the process of animating a growing city within 3ds Max, I've loaded in a project which I've used before, and it's just a Greeble plugin just to add in the buildings and the context of a city. Now, if you select the Greeble, you can see here that we've got the minimum and maximum heights for the buildings and the widgets on the top. So because we want to animate this from ground level growing up, we're going to reduce the height down to 0. Okay, and if I open different viewports, especially, you can see here from the left it's completely flat. So within this perspective view, you can see that my Greeble model is 2D, it's flat, and then we've got this keyframe bar down the bottom here, which this is where we start to place different keyframes for our animation. Okay, so to begin the animation, I'm going to place an auto key. So that's going to place a keyframe. Then I'm going to move the keyframe forward, select the Greeble, and increase the height. And you can see now, if I go back to the start, if I press play, you can see that animation here. Now I'm just going to increase the amount of keyframes that I've got within the project, only because it's a little bit too quick. 600. Alright, now if we move this back to the beginning, press play. Okay, so I adjusted the start so it's flat for a little bit longer. Okay, now I'm going to add another section for the widgets. So when it's at this point here, after the buildings stop growing, we can add the widgets on the top of the buildings to grow after the buildings have stopped. And I'm going to increase these. I've gone back to the start and I'm going to press play.